Ungqongqoshe wemfundo ephakeme uthi ukuphumelela umatikuletsheni ngebachelor akwenele futhi akusho ukuthi umfundi uzosithola isikhala ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme.
We plan in terms of the country's skills need and therefore have an allocated number of spots that we can provide, say for example for a law degree. All universities, because we collectively plan with them in terms of the enrollments for the next year. We know how many spaces will be available for law because we know what is the demand out there. And so if 100,000 students want to study law, it obviously becomes impossible for us to accommodate all of them.
Isikhwama esixhasa abafundi NSFAS sithi njengamanje sixhase abafundi abangaphansi kwesigidi kanti abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingamakhulu babo benza unyaka wokuqala ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme.
Through NSFAS, 900,000 students are supported with bursaries and loans. The SETAs, meanwhile, offer thousands of learnerships, apprenticeships and skills program every year to the unemployed, those already in work, and those classified as not in employment, education or training.
Lesikhwama sithi sikhokhele abafundi abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-30 abebengakwazi ukuqhubeka nezifundo zabo kulandela ukwehluleka ukukhokha imali yayifunwa izikhungo abebefunda kuzo.
We have developed funding mechanisms to address the substantial shortfall experienced in the 2025 academic year by reprioritizing funds within the existing resource base of 13.3 billion to support 34,000 students with blocked registration and second semester registration of 15,000 students.
Kusenjalo, abanye babafundi abanqanyulelwe luxhaso eNyuvesi yaseGoli bathi kunzima ukuqhubeka nezifundo zabo.
It's hard to study going to lecture rooms with uncertainty whether you are going to be funded to come back next year, because in order for us to register next year, we don't have to be having outstanding debts.
I-NSFAS izoqala kusasa ukwemukela izicelo zoxhaso zabafundi abazofunda ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme ngonyaka ozayo.